what you wanted. How you doing, ma'am?
Good.
My dad sent me for a pizza.
What was his name?
I don't know what he wants. Can I call him so he can tell you?
Yep, no problem. I'm just gonna check with the lady back here and then the lady to your right.
I'm just gonna call him to see what he wanted.
Yep.
That's fine.
No problem.
He's gonna tell you what he wanted. He's here on the phone.
Okay.
He's gonna tell you what he wanted. Papa,
What do you want, my sobrino?
Papa, I'm here at the Pizza Hut.
Yeah. What do you want, my sobrino?
I here at the Pizza Hut, Papa, wondering what you wanted.
Bruh.
Pizza, my son. Please. Pepperoni pizza.
Papa, what is that sound?
Nothing, my son. Nothing. I want the pepperoni pizza.
Papa, I'm here with the lady. What do you want?
Pepperoni pizza, my son. Pepperoni. Pepperoni pizza.
Papa, what is that sound?
Nothing, my son. Nothing, my son. I want the pepperoni pizza. I told you. I want the pepperoni pizza.
You know what he wants?
Well, they said they want Rosati's pizza.
Oh, this is not Pizza Hut.
Well, they said they want Rosati's. I just don't know what they want from us.
I want the pepperoni pizza, my son. I told you.
Yes.
Oh, this is not the Pizza Hut.
This is not.
Where is the Pizza Hut?
I
I want the
couldn't tell.
pepperoni pizza. I told you.
This is not the Pizza Hut, Papa.
That's just a motherfucker. I want the pepperoni pizza.
Papa, what the fuck are you talking about? He's crazy, Papa. What?